Israel has announced the entry of more than 300 aid trucks into Gaza, the highest daily volume since its war on the besieged territory 6 months ago. But Monday's delivery skill falls far short of what the UN says is the minimum required to feed millions of people, most of which were refugees. Under growing international pressure, Israel on Monday said 322 aid trucks were inspected and allowed to enter the heavily bombarded Palestinian territory. In a statement on X, Israel's coordinator of government activities in the territory said that 228 of the trucks, which represent 70% of the total number of people, were carrying food. Sharon Nasubuga, reporting for MRU TV.